Hello children, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 18, can, cannot, should not. These are known as modals or modal auxiliaries.
Modals are types of helping verbs that show a speaker's attitude about what they are expressing. Modals help to express ability, permission, possibility, necessity. Modals. There are 9 most commonly used modals: will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, and must. Let us understand how modals are used. The modal can is used. A. To indicate possibility. Example, this work can be done on time. B. To express ability. He can speak English. C. And sometimes to make a request. Can you please help me? Modal could is A. The past tense of can. He can solve the puzzle changes to he could solve the puzzle. B. Used to indicate the possibility in conditional sentences. If I had money, I could buy the house. C. Used to request for something. Could you lend me your pencil? Should. A. It is used to express duty and obligation. For example, you should say please if you need something. B. It is used to express necessity. For example, you should work hard. C. It is the past equivalent of the modal shall. For example, I shall reduce my weight. You should reduce your weight. Please note, shall expresses desire but should lay emphasis.
Now let's understand the concept with some example. First is underline the correct option. There are two options, one is correct and one is incorrect. We have to underline correct one. First is you cannot leave the door open, it's unsafe. So answer is you cannot leave the door open, it's unsafe. Can is used for positive sentence, and if we want to make negative sentence we have to put cannot. We cannot go for the play after we finish our homework. Answer is we can go for the play after we finish our homework. Then can or cannot you go to the party with me? I do not know anyone there. It is question sentence. So answer is can you go to the party with me? I do not know anyone there. Next is complete these sentences with should or should not. You dash think twice before taking a decision. Answer, you should think twice before taking a decision. I think we dash help Simran with lessons. So we have to help. So I think we should help Simran with lessons. Kevin dash eat too many chips. Answer is Kevin should not eat too many chips. It is not good for health. Next is underline the correct option. Same, there are two options. We have to underline correct one. We can or should leave now or we will miss the bus. Answer is we should leave now or we will miss the bus. You can or should report the theft immediately. You should report the theft immediately. You can or should put the food in the fridge or it will become stale. You should put the food in the fridge or it will become stale. When we have to give any suggestion to anyone, we use should. Next is make negative sentences using cannot. As we know, cannot is used for negative sentences. First is I can speak English. I cannot speak English. You can ride a bike. You cannot ride a bike. He can drive a car. He cannot drive a car. Then next is make negative sentences using should not. First is you should apply for the job. You should not apply for the job. You should drink cold water. You should not drink cold water. We should play loud music. We should not play loud music. Now let's revise this chapter.
Of helping verbs that show a speaker's attitude about what they are expressing. There are 9 commonly used modals: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and modals help the speaker to express ability, permission, possibility, necessity.